Hello everyone, welcome back to Cotton Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Expobar espresso machine. Now for this machine we replace the heating element, the one that you see right here, and the power switch, this one that you see right here. And that's the newer power switch. We're gonna apply first the machine using a blade filter. This is the original blade filter. As you can see, no leaks coming from the filter, water filter, anything like that. And flushes perfectly. We'll do that again. No leaks. Flushing, excellent. And the machine is at pressure, as you can see, with all the steam coming out from there and from the hot water one. And there you have it, Expobar working once again. So thank you so much for repairing your Cotton Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.